Amy with my couponing buddy here. If you printed that all coupon that I posted Sunday morning, it lasted all of about maybe 12 hours on Red Plum. You can do this deal this week, or if you're in a half BOGO area, you can do this deal this week because your coupon in your RMN 721 for all is limit one coupon per transaction. So you can only use one coupon each time you pay the cashier. So if you're in an area where you have to buy two to get the sale price, then you would need the printable to do this deal. But otherwise, if you have the printable or if you're in half BOGO, here's the breakdown. Weekly sale beginning 8/14 and ending 8/20 or 8/15 and ending 8/21. All laundry detergent is BOGO. There is a $1 off one coupon in your RMN 721. There was a $1 off one coupon that I posted for you all on Sunday morning. Buy two, use one of each of those coupons and pay $1.92 a piece. If you're in a half BOGO area, you can buy one, use one of the insert coupon and pay $1.92 a piece. Happy couponing.